Damn, that's good shit.
Are you trying it yet?
Get some, Matt.
Welcome to another video. My name is Kunchi. This is Cookin With Kunchi, and I've got my bro here, Kenneth from North Texas Barbecue Addicts. If you're not following his page, his Facebook group, trust me, you're missing out on some awesome content. But today, we're gonna be grilling up something simple on the Weber kettle. We got a 1974 edition out here in the land of barbecue. Let's get this done.
Let's go. Alright guys, so we've got some avocado oil. Use whatever oil you prefer. We got some sliced up potatoes. We're just going to throw some of this oil right into the potatoes just to help all the seasoning incorporate and get mixed. We're going to be using some of our tropical zinger right here. Cookin With Kunchi's tropical zinger. I'll throw a good amount of that on there. Y'all let us know down in the comments below what kind of kebabs do y'all like to make. What are y'all gonna whip up on the grill for some skewers or some kebabs? So, just like that, we're gonna get this mixed up. Use this knife, get it mixed up. We can tell we gotta add some more oil and a little bit more seasoning. It's smelling good though already, guys. Throw a little bit more oil on there. And we're going to finish seasoning these up, and then Kunchi's going to cube up this backstrap, and we're going to get us some kebabs assembled. We'll see y'all here in a little bit. What you got going on, man?
Backstrap. We're going to make some cubes for the kebabs with the shrimp. We also got some potatoes that we're going to put on the kebabs. And we're going to season it up with a tropical zinger and an awesome honey glaze that we're going to throw together. So stay tuned. Don't miss a beat of this. Everything will be written down in the description for y'all to follow.
That's a nice backstrap right there. You want to explain to them what you're doing right there?
Yeah, so I'm cutting off some of the silver skin here. That way you don't get such a tough bite when it's cooked, because we're not smoking this, we're grilling it up. And the silver skin is not gonna cook. Right, so we don't want it to be too chewy, and so we're gonna just have a little bit of prep. We don't have a lot. You can see just a couple of little pieces right here.
It's just gonna make for a better bite.
Yep, and then you get your knife underneath there, and then you kind of just separate it.
Looking good. About to get some kebabs together, y'all.
So we got the tropical zinger mixed with this ginger and mango powder that we got from my good friend Queen G, and we have that on the shrimp. So I'm just gonna hit it a little bit of oil. All right, and we're gonna get that seasoned up, and we're about to start assembling these skewers right about now.
Smelling good.
Yeah, man. Can I
Fresh.
take a bite right now?
That fresh ginger and mango.
Oh my god, my nose is running already.
Did you put some zinger on there?
We did put zinger on it.
Yeah, that's a perfect combo. Woo! Dang.
So we got these all skewered up. We're ready to get them on the Weber kettle. Look at that beautiful thing. That backstrap, I can't wait. Let's go, baby. Skewers up, y'all. Let's get these on the grill. Close to the heat, right? Because you want to get those potatoes going. And then we're also going to put our glaze on to get started.
That's gonna be good.
So we we got a little glaze that we're mixing up here. This is the honey. We have the tropical zinger, the ginger, and the mango powder. We're gonna let this sit on the smoker here. Indirect, we're gonna let it heat up and get all those flavors. We just put a little tip of beer in there. You know it's honey, it's thick.
One for our homies.
So, one for the homies. But
Yep, one for the homies.
let's get it on here. It's hot already.
Yeah,
go, baby.
buddy.
Let's check out this thing. Oh boy. Alright. So, we know that these are not even near cooked yet. We're good. Got good charcoal. We're not running a flame or nothing. Got our glaze coming together. Y'all are gonna enjoy this. So we are doing this really simple cook. Kenneth, is there anything complicated in what we're doing today?
Honestly, we're just enjoying a good Sunday. You can make it as complicated as you want, but we're making some really simple, awesome kebabs and hanging out. So that's what the point of this video is.
You know, as a matter of fact, I said I was gonna put the recipe in the description. There's no fucking recipe, okay? So I'm not gonna put shit in there. Just go read anything in there if you want, but
Like we were talking about the
cook.
kebabs, literally, if you've got half a bell pepper in your kitchen, use it.
Yeah.
If you've got 2 potatoes, use it. If you've got 6 shrimp, a kebab can be whatever you want.
Yep.
Just hang out, enjoy it, fire that grill up, and that's what it's all about.
enjoy a beautiful Sunday with your bros.
Yep. Having a couple cold drinks and letting the smoke roll, so appreciate y'all.
So we are ready to hit these with the glaze. We got the honey and the mango, the ginger, the tropical zinger. Just gonna do a little bit of something here.
That's smelling good right there, bro.
Man, this is gonna be delicious. It's gonna be spicy. It's gonna be flavorful.
Sweet with that honey.
Guys, if you have not tried the tropical zinger or any of my rubs, go up to my website. The link is in the description. Go check it out. So here's a rub. And just for good measure. Come on now.
That's the smell we're looking for. A little pop of flavor.
So we're gonna let these go for another 15 minutes or so. Really what we're checking on next is the potatoes. Make sure they're cooked. So stay tuned. So we got the kebabs off. I almost forgot to record what we've been doing, but got some really good flavor. The shrimp is good. The potato.
See how
Going for a taste.
Let's see how it tastes, guys.
That tropical zinger, dude. The mango and the ginger really kind of just adds a little bit more.
It's got really good flavor from the raw, unfiltered honey, the ginger, the mango, but then that zinger with the citrus flavor and a little bit of heat with the shrimp, the potatoes. Guys, this is good stuff.
Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Follow on all socials if you haven't already. My name is Kunchi. This is Kenneth, North Texas Barbecue Addicts. Let's go, man. Let's blow this thing up.
See y'all next time.